Hello students, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed inverse matrix definition and its properties and some problems also completed. Now in level 1, I am going to explain 61 question. 61. Here det A not equal to 0, A minus 2i into A minus 3i is equal to 0. Then find A inverse. Det A not equal to 0 means inverse exists. Now take the given condition, multiply that each and every term. So I got 6i. Okay. Finally, 6i is equal to 0. Here observe that a square minus 3 into a into I, that is a only, 2 into a into I, a plus 6i, that is equal to 0. A square minus 5a plus 6i is equal to 0. Now students, multiply on both sides with A inverse into a square minus 5a plus 6i, that is equal to A inverse into null matrix. So now multiply A inverse into A square means I am writing A into A minus 5 into A inverse A plus 6 into A inverse I, that is equal to right hand side 0 only. What is A inverse into A? That is equal to I. So here in place of A inverse into A, write I into A minus 5i plus A inverse into A inverse, that is equal to 0. Here we need A inverse. That's why remaining terms send right hand side. 6A inverse, that is equal to minus 5i, send right hand side, plus 5i. I into A minus A. So finally, A inverse is equal to 5i minus A divided by 6. This is the answer. Students, which option correct? Fourth option correct. Remember it here. A inverse into A is equal to I. A inverse into I, that is equal to A inverse only. So these are level 2 related problems. Level 1 problems completed in inverse of a matrix. So read the question, what they are given here. Orthogonal matrix given. In orthogonal matrix, determinant of orthogonal matrix is 1. This is the condition, already we know that. Next here, two formulas are there. Adjoint of Ka, what is the formula? Tell me. Adjoint of Ka, that's equal to K power n minus 1 into adjoint A. This is one formula. Next, det of Ka, what is the formula? K cube into det A, where K cube means, here write that n, K power n, where n is order of the matrix. These formulas already you know very well. Now use this formulas. Determinant of adjoint of 2a. First, adjoint 2a means 2 power n minus 1. N means here 3 into adjoint a. Okay. 2 power 3 minus 1, that is 4. Det of 4 into adjoint a. That is, we can write 4 cube into det of adjoint A. What is det of adjoint A formula? Students, det A whole power n minus 1. that is 64 into data value is 1, already we know that, whole square, that is equal to 64 only. Which option correct? Fourth option. Here note down one more formula, data of adjoint A, that is equal to det A whole power n minus 1. This is the formula. Orthogonal matrix means det A value is 1. Remember it. 42 question. If P is adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix, adjoint of a 3 by 3 matrix A. So here P is equal to adjoint of A. That is the meaning of that. Okay. But det A value already given. That means det A value already given 4. Now apply det on both sides. Det P, that is equal to det of adjoint A. What is det of adjoint A formula? Det A whole power n minus 1, where n is 3 here. That is det A whole square. Det A value is 4 now, already given in the question. 4 square. Finally, what is det P value? 16. Now take the P matrix. P is equal to 1, alpha, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 4, 4. Then what is det P? Det how to apply, you know very well, symbols, plus, minus, plus. Okay, 1 into 12 minus 12, minus alpha into 4 minus 6, plus 3 into 4 minus 6. Det P value is 16, that is equal to 0. 4 minus 6, minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2 alpha. 4 minus 6, minus 2, this is minus 6. Minus 6 send left hand side, we get 22. 22 is equal to 2 alpha. Then what is alpha? Alpha value is 11. Okay, which option correct? First option. So here read the question carefully. P is the adjoint matrix of 3 by 3 matrix A. P is adjoint A. P is adjoint A. And the det A value already given. Then apply the det P. Det apply here. Det P is equal to det of adjoint A. In this case, we got det value, that is 4 square. Then P matrix given, take that, apply the det, you will get alpha value. Okay, this is also not an easy problem. Yes or no? A matrix given and 10B also given matrix. B is inverse of A. That means B is equal to inverse of A. When it is possible this condition, tell me students. If AB is equal to BA is equal to identity matrix. This is a inverse matrix condition. So no, invertible matrix condition. Okay. Now use this concept. AB is equal to I. So first of all, what is A matrix? Already we know that 1 minus 1, 1. 2, 1, minus 3, 1, 1, 1. This is A matrix. Then what is B matrix, students? Here extra 10 is 10 send right hand side. 1 by 10 into B matrix. What is that? 4, 2, 2. Minus 5, 0, alpha. 1 minus 2, 3. This is the B matrix. Now use the condition AB is equal to I. AB is equal to. Now multiply A and B matrices. Here 1 by 10 is there. I am written outside. First row, first column. Multiply students directly. 1 into 4, 4 plus 5 plus 1. First row, second column. 2, 0, minus 2. Next, first row, third column. Verify that. 2 minus alpha 1 into 3, 3. Okay. Now here we need to find alpha value. Here alpha value we got. See. Here alpha is there or not. Remaining no need to find. Remaining leave it some gap. Remaining or gap. That is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is identity matrix. Now comparing the corresponding elements, but don't forget 1 by 10. Yes or no? So 1 by 10 into 2 minus alpha plus 3. What is the corresponding element, students? 0 or not? That is equal to 0. 1 by 10 send right hand side is going to 0. Finally, 5 is equal to alpha. This is the answer. Which option correct, students? Fourth option. That's why read the question carefully and apply the conditions. Here what they are given, if B is inverse of A, B is equal to A inverse. When it is possible, AB is equal to I or BA is equal to I. I am taken AB is equal to I. This is A matrix, this is B matrix, then multiply both, that is equal to identity matrix. Comparing the corresponding elements, you will get alpha value. Okay. A is an invalidatory matrix. A is an invalidatory matrix. Invalidatory matrix means what? A square is equal to I. A square is equal to I means we will say that that is invalidatory matrix. Then A is equal to given. The inverse of A by 2 will be, here they are asking inverse of A by 2. When it is possible, inverse of A by 2. So here A square means I am writing A into A is equal to I. Already you know that inverse matrix condition. AB is equal to BA is equal to I. Then what is the condition? A inverse is equal to A inverse is equal to B. This is the definition now. Condition, remember it. So in that basis, I am going to identify. This is you have to treat as B. Treat as B. So finally, what we are getting here? A inverse is equal to A only. Yes or no? A inverse is equal to A only. But here, inverse of A by 2. Inverse of A by 2. Then what we can write? A by 2 whole inverse. This is they are asking. We know the formula. Ka whole inverse. That is 1 by K into A inverse. Yes or no? This is the formula where K is constant. So here 1 by 2 into A inverse. 1 by 2 means what? 2 only now. 2A inverse. Then what is A inverse? A inverse means we know that. One second. A inverse means you know that is A only. Substitute here. Finally, what is answer? A by 2 whole inverse is equal to 2A. This is the answer. First option correct.